This video is about the best way to trade the break and retest strategy off from a horizontal zone or a trend line. Anytime we have the chart dropping to the downside, it always respects a trend line, one at the top and one at the bottom. And sometimes stops to continue on a consolidation zone between equal highs and equal lows. And with this, as a trader, the only thing you do is to wait for this break and retest to happen either off from this trend line or from this zone of equal highs and equal lows. And with this, the market creates a build up around the lower zone before it breaks below it, retest, and continue to the downside. And as a trader, what you do is to wait patiently for this break and retest, of which sometimes the retest might not happen. So we have traders that trade the breakout strategy. Some also trade the break and retest strategy. So as a break and retest trader, you wait for this pullback onto the zone before you take your trade off from this zone. Then you can put your stop loss halfway the zone or above the zone. Okay, then sometimes on a trend line too, we also have a trend to the downside causing a build up before a break below the trend line. Then as a trader, all you need to do is to wait for a pullback to the trend line. Then you can take your trade off from the trend line and sell with your stop loss above this build up, or any good risk to reward that you can have on that. So this is the break and retest strategy on a bearish trend. Anytime you have that, you only wait for a break below either a trend line or the zone. You wait for the retest back to the zone or the trend line. You take your sell with some good risk to reward ratio on that. So this is how you trade a break and retest strategy on a bearish trend. In our next video, we're going through more on that. So don't forget to follow through on all the videos.